Hello guys, this is Gos for Ugiagbe. So on this video today, I will show you step by step how you can make 80 cents for just spending 80 minutes of your time, 20 minutes of your time. You are going to be making constant 80 cents every single time you participate on this website. So what I want you to do for me now is to keep on watching, and only what I ask is for you to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. And what I want from you again is to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you can learn something from it and go and apply what you have learned. So just keep on watching. Let me take you now to this website. And again, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below so that I will know what you think about this video. So let us head over to my smartphone. So guys, this is the website that you can use to make up to 80 cents for just spending 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 11 minutes of your time. You can duplicate this. So like I said from the beginning, so this is the website that is called Instagc. So Instagc is a survey website that allows you to complete a particular task like downloading application, watching videos. You know, you do a lot of things on this website, which is called Instagc, and you are going to get paid. I know you'll be wondering, but how can I register on this website? How can I use it? So that is why you are watching this video. So just keep on watching and I will show you everything you need to know. So the first thing you need to do is to register on this website. So how you can register on this website, either with your Facebook account, Twitter, or your Gmail account. I want to say that if this website is not available in your own country, you can click the video that will pop up right now to see the worldwide website that you can use to make the same amount of money or use the same strategy and the same method. So for those of you who this website is available in their own country, you can enter your email to register. This is how to register. Enter your Gmail here and enter your password. Enter your password again, your email, and click on sign up. Make sure you click my link in the description below. It will be the first link. Click on that link and it will take you to Instagc. If you click on it, I will get paid as a referrer. I want you to know that. So this is just a win-win for us. You can just sign up with my email. The link will be in the description if you want. This is not compulsory. And you need your paper account to get your Instagc account verified. So when you enter all your information, they will require paper account for your account to be verified. I'm using this website and I will show you around this website. So let's assume now you have registered your own account and you have verified the email that is sent to you. You can see here that you can complete tasks, watch videos, shop online, search in the web. You are getting paid with their Chrome extension. So that is everything I need to show you on the homepage of this website. And let us go to the dashboard. But before we get into the dashboard, I will log into my own account. I will click on login now. So once I click on login, bring me here. I will enter my username and my password to log into my own account. So as you can see, I have just logged into my own account. Currently right now I have 21 points and 80. I have 28 points on my account currently right now, and those are strategy and websites that you can use to make money from this website, which is called Instagc. And how to start using it to make money, you have to click on where it says Instagc. Click on that Instagc. It will open up. You can see the surveys that you can take. So this is a survey. You can take this survey. It will pay you 80 points. This 80 points is converted to in currency, which is in dollars, is 80 cents. So you can see that you can take surveys and you get paid 80 cents. Take these surveys, you can see that you can do this multiple times and make money by just using this strategy. So I don't know what you are waiting for. You can go and take advantage of this method. You just need to click on it and it will redirect you to the website where you are going to take the surveys. So that is how it works, guys. It's very, very simple. Here you are just going to answer the question and you will find yourself. You click on continue and that is all you just have to do. You keep on doing this again and again with honest opinion. In return, you are going to get paid. So let us go back to Instagc dashboard. So now that we are back on our Instagc dashboard, you can see other website that you can still use to make money from this website, which is called Add Get Reward. If I click on Add Get Reward, it's going to open up. So once it opens up, all I just need to do is to let me say I want to download any one of the applications here. And I just need to read. It's a first time user. Get the game and finish level 400 within 10 days. And you will get paid €2.57, which is 257 points, which will be converted to €2 or $2.57. That is how it works, guys. It's very simple. And if we go back again to the homepage, that is how you can use this website that is called Instagc, and how you can make money by watching videos. You click on Hideout TV. You can go and watch my full video where I talk about how you can make money with Hideout TV, the main Hideout TV account or website. You can see on this website, what you just have to do is to click on any video here and you will watch the video. If I click on start earning now, I will go and watch the video and they will pay me on my Instagc account. That is how it works, guys. It's very simple. Let us go back again to the homepage. And other way that you can use to make money with this website is the the referral program. If I click on this 3 icon, and I will just need to, you need to come to the section where it say promotion here, where it say promote. If I click under promote, you will see the section where it say refer a link. You can see a referral link. I will just click on the referral link here. So once I click on the referral link here, it's telling me that if I refer anyone to this website, I'm going to get paid 10 points, and I'm going to be making 10% lifetime from any task that they complete on this website, which is called Instagc. So you can read everything through and see how much you can make for just referring people to this website, which is called Instagc. So that is the second way you can use this website to make money online. And if you, let me say for example, you want to increase how you can make money with this, which is the third way. The third way is for you to complete multiple tasks. Like, you don't just do only one task. You just need to make sure at least spend 1 hour of your time every day and use this website, and you will see passive income coming into your paper account. And how you can cash out your money. I know you'll be wondering, I'm talking about how to make money with this website, but how can I cash out on this website? So how to cash out on this website is very simple. Click on this same icon here. So once you click on this same icon, what you can do here, look what you can do. What you can do here is you will see a section where you say redeem. Once you see redeem, you click on other reward. Under gift, where you say gift card store, you see under, you say other reward. Click on other reward. So when you click on other reward, you find 2 payment methods that I recommend that you should use, which is Bitcoin or PayPal. So if you click on Bitcoin, to ask for your Coinbase address, Coinbase Bitcoin address, and you can enter it, and they will send the money into that your Coinbase Bitcoin address. And other way too you can use to cash out is PayPal. You can click on PayPal and you enter your PayPal payment method. If I click on PayPal now, it's going to pop this up asking me how much I want to cash out. Like I said, $100 is 100 point is $1. So you can see 100 points here is telling me that is $1. If I click on redeem now, the money will be deposited into my account, and I can decide how much I want to cash out as long as I have a minimum amount of cashing out. As you can see, currently I only have 28 points on my own account. So that is how you can cash out. And if you want to use other, let me say you want to use a gift card, click on it, and here you can, under reward again, you can see gift card store. Click on gift card store. It will show you multiple gift cards. Depending on the country where you are, you find a lot of gift card that you can use. In my own country, this is gift card that is available, which is Amazon.fr and G2A and other method that I can use to cash out my money. So that is how you can use this website and make money with it and cash out. So that is everything I need to talk about. So like I said, this website is not available in all country. This website is not available in all country, but you can check this website to see if it's available in your own country. Just try to register and see if it's available in your own country. And that is everything I need to talk about on this video. And if you have anything in mind, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch the 4th video that will pop up. If you want to make money with Coinbase, you can watch the 2nd video that will pop up. So I will say thank you very much and see you on my next video.